Hello, my dear students. I am your social science teacher Esha Puri. I hope you all have seen the video which was uploaded earlier. But those who have not seen, don't worry, I will recapitulate the points which we have discussed in the previous video. But for detail, you have to watch the first video also. And don't forget to like and subscribe. Let us start. In the previous video, we have learnt about the location of India. It lies to the north of equator and to the east of prime meridian. Its latitudinal extent is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north, and its longitudinal extent is 68 degree 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. The Tropic of Cancer passes through the middle of India, which divides India into two parts. While the southern part falls in the tropical zone, the northern half lies in the subtropical zone. Do you know, children? The southernmost point of the Indian Union is Indira Point, which got submerged into water in 2004 tsunami. Now we will discuss about the size of India. India is a vast country. Its total area is 3.28 million square kilometer, which accounts for about 2.4% of the total geographical area of the world. India is the seventh largest country. Russia, Canada, China, USA, Brazil, and Australia are larger than India. Its land boundary is 15,200 km and the coastline is 7,516.6 km. It includes Andaman and Nicobar Islands and Lakshadweep also. It is bounded by the Youngfold Mountains, that means the Himalayas in the north and northeast. Children, I have told you about the longitudinal extent of India, that is 68 degrees 7 minutes east to 97 degree 25 minutes east. There is a gap of about 30 degrees. Gujarat lies in the west and Arunachal Pradesh in the east. So due to this longitudinal gap, there is a time difference of 2 hours between Gujarat and Arunachal Pradesh. Actually, 1 degree longitude is equal to 4 minutes. So here is a gap of 30 degrees. So when we multiply 30 with 4, we get 120 minutes. That is equal to 2 hours only. Now definitely this time gap is going to create confusion. For example, I am living in Gujarat and you are living in Arunachal Pradesh. I have asked you to take online class at 10 a.m. but there is a time gap of 2 hours. Arunachal Pradesh is in east, so it is 2 hours ahead. That means when you will call me, it will be 8 a.m. in Gujarat. There will be confusion. I may get angry ki why are you calling me so early, but according to you, you have called me at right time. So there will be inconvenience for the country as a whole. In a particular country, the local time of a central place is adopted as the uniform time for the whole country. It is called the standard time. In India, the local time of 82 degrees 30 minutes east longitude is used as the standard time for the whole country. It is called the Indian Standard Time IST. It passes through Mirzapur in Uttar Pradesh. So we have adopted it as the standard time. That is why the watches show the same time. Children, we are having only one time zone in India, but there are some countries who are having more than one time zone. For example, Russia. Russia is the biggest country in the world. It has 11 time zones. Now, let us talk about the latitudinal extent. The latitudinal extent of India is 8 degree 4 minutes north to 37 degree 6 minutes north. The latitudinal extent influences the duration of day and night as one moves from south to north. Now, how it happens? The circle of illumination divides two equal parts. The days and nights are therefore of the same duration at the equator. But as we move away from the equator towards the poles, the variation in the duration of day and night becomes greater. It is because equator receives direct sunlight, so the duration between day and night is hardly felt. For example, Kanyakumari is close to equator, whereas Kashmir is far from equator. This means Kanyakumari is at lesser latitude as compared to Kashmir. That is why the variation in the duration of day and night is hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in Kashmir. That's all for the day. Now write down the questions. What do you know about the size of India? Question number 2. What are India's unique locational features? Question number 3. What is meant by Indian Standard Time? Why do we need a standard meridian in India? Question number 4. The sun rises 2 hours earlier in Arunachal Pradesh as compared to Gujarat in the west. But the watches show the same time. How does this happen? Question number 5. Why is the difference between the duration of day and night hardly felt at Kanyakumari but not so in Kashmir? Children, I hope you all have written the questions. In next video, we are going to learn about India and the word. In the end, I want to say, don't forget to like and subscribe.